kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe unboxing. Today we have the brand new tokidoki JuJuBe Cosmic Desert to unbox. I'm super excited because I just absolutely love the colors in this print. So JuJuBe sent me a nice big box. I'm not 100% sure what's in here because I asked for a few things, but it feels like they may have sent me a little bit more. So we shall see. I'm really excited to open this up, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in today. These boxes are a little bit different than what they used to do, so hopefully I'll be able to figure this out easily. Oh, I can't wait to hear what's on everybody's wish list for this print. This print is releasing on May 7th, and I would love if you guys would shop with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. You can shop through that anytime. There we go. This is some like heavy duty tape, but it's really cute. It says "Love What You Carry" by JuJuBe. That's like their little slogan that they've been using for a while now, and I love it. All right, I hope I opened this okay. It looks like it's got one of those front opening type of deals, so I think I got it. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, look how fancy that is. Woo! I love that. That's definitely new. And look at on the inside the box too. It has all their social information and a logo. That's fancy. I like that. All right, it's like a box inside of a box. So I'm gonna try and do this with the whole box out because it's really nice. I want to share it with you guys. Oh, that's cute too. It says there's a new bag on the block. Show it off. That is so cute. I love that. Fancy new boxes. All right, so, and then this one is especially fancy. Look at this box, you guys. It was inside the other box. And it has like a magnetic type of opening and closing. So it looks like that on the inside. It's really fancy. They even put it in like this really nice laundry bag. That is amazing. I didn't know they had laundry bags, you guys. I will show you guys that in detail in just a second here. Okay. I'm probably gonna hang on to this box to like store stuff in because it's just a really great size and I love that magnetic closure. Okay, so this laundry bag, did anybody else know that they had this? Is this new? Like, I love this. Now I have something just perfectly sized to wash JuJuBe in. Oh, this is so much prettier in person than it was in the pictures. I'm obsessed. It's like a muted pinky purple mauve color. I don't know how to explain it, but it's super pretty and I love it. And actually the whole print is a little bit more muted than I expected. I'm so excited. So here is the laundry bag. This is really nice. It has, can you guys see that? It has a slight peachy pink color to the mesh. It's not a wide mesh or anything. It's a very thin mesh, but it feels really tough, like it's not gonna rip or anything. And then you have the zipper that goes all the way across the front. Nice smooth zipper. And then on the edging, can you guys see that? Hopefully you guys can see that. It has that nice ribbon edging. So yeah, this is just literally the perfect size to put all your accessories in. I'm not sure if it's big enough for a Super Bee, but it is, I'd say mid-size, so like a BFF might actually fit in here, so that's awesome. Thank you, JuJuBe. I could always use another one of these, and I think this is my favorite one I've ever had, so yay! All right, so what I'm gonna go through is this new print, which is Cosmic Desert. And it is absolutely stunning, you guys. I think what I want to do is start with the Super Bee so that you guys can see the full print. This is what it looks like. I haven't seen my print placement yet on the front, so you guys can probably see it better than me. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and then I'm going to turn it around and see what I think of my print placement. A lot of you already know I'm obsessed with Donatella, so I'm got my fingers crossed she will be front and center. But with a print like this, I think it's like more often than not you will have her on the front somewhere. So here we go. I'm gonna look. Oh, she's just about in the right place. She is front front and center, kind of, sorta. This is a gorgeous print, you guys. You guys are gonna love this. Look, here we go. How pretty is that? It has the prettiest muted desert scene ever. I love it. Can you see Donatella on the very front in the middle there? So cute. She's got a little watering can and she's watering the cactus. Or she's watering the flower next to him. I can't tell. She's right there. Hopefully you guys can see. This is such a big bag. It's hard for me to show you guys fully, but I love it. And I want to show you the hardware, because one of the things that I love that JuJuBe always does is that they always match the hardware. I got this sticker stuck to my finger. They always match the enamel hardware to the print lining or the print itself. And this is really pretty. It's like, I'm pretty sure this is matching the lining of the bag, which I will show you guys in a minute. Look how pretty that is. I love it so much. And then I don't know if you guys can see, but I do have Donatella's head right there. So this is the Super Bee. If you have never used a Super Bee before, it's JuJuBe's largest tote. I collect these in Toki prints because they are my favorite to take on vacations, to the beach, to the pool. They're like one of my top favorite bags. So, oh my gosh, I just saw Moz and she is so cute on here, you guys. I can't wait to hear what your favorite print placement is on this particular print. Look at her. She's like my second favorite. I'm gonna have to do some like heavy looking at this print because it's brand new to my eyes and everything. But there's just so many cute characters, like new characters I don't think I've seen before. And there's a lot of kitty cats. So I love it. This is so cute. So that is the front. You have 3 pockets on the front. You have your tote straps. On the very back, you have 1 large pocket on the back there, which I've used for lots of different things in the past. Ooh, the lining is really, really pretty, you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bag inside out so you can see fully the color. Whoop, and what the inside looks like. But here you go. That is what the inside looks like. Isn't that pretty? So you have those 2 large mesh pockets. You also have your key leash here. And then on the other side, you have an interior pocket there. So that is the lining. Isn't it cute? I don't know if you guys can see very well, but there's little unis, heart and crossbones, snake, there's a message in a bottle, kitty Saturn planet, lotus blossoms, and like all kinds of random things, but I just love it. It's not embossed like a lot of the Toki linings used to be, which I did love, but I do still like this. This is really pretty. So love this print so much. I think it's up there as one of my top favorites now, you guys. You know I love pastels, but I also really love muted colors, and this is almost like muted pastel. So that's the Super Bee. I have 3 more things to share with you guys, including a brand new bag, which I will be sharing a review and on the body with you guys later to show you how it fits and how it packs and things like that. And I can't wait for that because I love new bags. So here is the Bee set. The Bee set has 3 different pieces to it. So you have a large, a medium, and a small set. They are perfect for organizing your diaper bag or your purse with. And actually the large one you can actually use as a purse because it comes with a long strap. So, oh, this is so cute. Actually, the print placement, even though Donatella's not like front and center or anything, I think the print placement on this large piece is quite nice. I don't really think you can go wrong with this print. Isn't that cute? I love Sandy there, and Moz, of course. She's definitely, I think she's right up there with Donatella for my favorite print placement. I love it. So that is the large piece. There's also a little Sandy cowgirl tag right here. Isn't that cute? So let's go ahead and go through the medium next and see what the print placement is on there. Well, that's cute. I didn't see this little guy. And there's a lot of detail. Like, I have to get a little closer for you guys. Okay, so if you look at this little bear, if you get really close, you can see that there's actually a reflection of him waving at another bear in his, in his helmet. But that is my print placement on the back, print placement on the front. And I didn't show you guys the back of the large piece, but I do have Donatella back there. And let's see, I think the small one is inside of the medium one, so sit back a little further again. Yes, I got Donatella on my small. Yes, I love that. There she is. Yeah, so cute. And then there's the other side. So that is the B set, and then like I mentioned, you actually have two straps with the B set. You have the long one and the short one. So if you want to wear it as a wristlet, you can, or if you want to use it as a purse, you definitely can. So that's the B set. All right, next I have the bestie for you guys. The bestie is kind of somewhere in between the mini BFF and the BFF. I definitely say it's closer in size to the mini BFF, but it's a really good like middle size for like if you have a tween, or if you want to wear this for yourself, because I've definitely done that with this bag. It's perfect for that. So let's see, I didn't look at my print placement yet. I'll let you guys look at that first. And I've got my fingers crossed, but you never know. Nope, not today. Not perfect print placement today, but it is still super cute. And it's just, I just love this muted purple. It's really pretty. So this is what the bestie looks like on the front. This is the side over here. Here's the back. And there's the other side for print placement, you guys. And then I'm gonna show you the inside. So you can wear this bag as a backpack, over the shoulder bag, and crossbody, which is amazing. So here's the strap that comes with it. I love that color. The color of this strap is like it's like a pinky color. It is super complimentary to the bag. And then there's the inside. So cute, right? I love it. I'd love to know so far what is your favorite bag in this unboxing. But I think I may have your very next favorite bag like right next to me here. So let's go through the brand new crossbody sling. I can't wait to wear this. I feel like I'm always looking for something that's just a little bit bigger to take on walks with Emma. She's my dog. If you guys don't know her, she's a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Absolute doll. I love her. But I'm always looking for something that I can carry my water in, because I feel like on walks and things, I want to carry a larger water than what a normal fanny pack could carry. So I think this is just going to fit the bill perfectly. Plus it's so pretty in this pink color. How cute is this bag, you guys? I feel like size-wise, is that not like perfect for holding water? And I will definitely be putting that into my packing video so you guys can see just how well it holds a bottle of water, because I think that's important. But let's go ahead and open it. It's so interesting. Already I'm like kind of sort of confused how I'm supposed to open it up and how I'm supposed to wear it, but I will figure that out for you guys. It's got like, it has this strap on the back, right? And it has a clip down here, and then you have another clip down here, which makes me think, can this be worn as a backpack of some sort? But I don't know. I don't think so. And then you have another clip up here, clipping to that. I'm gonna have to find out all the ways this works. This is so interesting. Okay, so this is like a cover flap for the pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that. There's a pocket here. So that's like a cover flap for the pocket. So interesting. And then you have the main zipper compartment here. So let's go ahead and open that. My son has decided to hide behind a cloud. Oh, okay. Let's see how this is. Interesting. You could definitely put a water in here. And one of the things I really like about this bag, now that I've got it open, is that you have a mesh pocket back here, but it's a big one. So if you had like a larger water bottle, it can accommodate that, and it'll keep it still in there. Like it won't move around because you have it in a pocket. So I like that. And then you also have another mesh pocket in the front here to keep like chapsticks and things like that in. So you literally have the one deep main compartment pocket, and then you have this front pocket as well, which might work well to hold your wallet and stuff, especially since you're going to be securing it with the D-ring and the clip here. So this is such a unique bag. I really, really like it. You get, once again, you have a double zipper opening on this side, but you also have the Sandy zipper pull again. Isn't she so cute? So that is the front of the crossbody sling and the back, and I'm looking forward to figuring out how to wear this. I think what it is that depending on how you want to wear this, if you want to wear it on the right or the left is where you can change the D-ring at the bottom. I think that's what that is, but we will figure that out later. But that is so cute, and that is my print placement in case you didn't see it. So that is my haul, you guys. I got the new crossbody sling. I got the JuJuBe. Ooh, nice and big. Cannot wait to take that on my next trip. You have the bestie here, super cute. And then we also have the set. So there it is. That's what I've got, you guys. And I would love to hear down in the comments below, what are your things that you have on your wish list, what you plan to get? I know there is a Be Zealous, Fuel Cell, Be Dapper, and I think a few other items in there as well, including a coin purse and things like that. And then of course all the items that I have here today. I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. You can shop through that anytime to help support my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And once again, this print is releasing on May 7th, so definitely set your timers for that day so you won't miss out on this awesome release. Thanks for watching!